There's no headaches involved. It's really... Oops. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we are connecting a washing machine to the water outlet. It's a real simple task, although this connector might be a bit different from just a regular screw-in, but I'll guide you step by step on how to attach this. If you're new to the channel, leave a like, share and subscribe. Oh, one more thing, we hit 3,000 subscribers and that's amazing. Thank you guys for your support. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into the video. You know, some people say I sound too angmo, they say my English too good, then I don't sound local, so I thought that cannot. Walao eh, every time you all talk, you all say me, then I need to go and change my voice, so forget it. I'll speak the way I want to speak. Alright, you have a ring over here, you pull this down, and this comes out. Okay, simple enough. This comprises of 4 parts. Okay, you have your quick release, male attachment, you have a washer, and you have a ceramic ring. You need all these pieces together to work. Okay, first, put the ceramic ring in, put the washer, and put this on gently. You don't want to put it all the way up the threads, as you can see. Halfway will do. And then, use an electric screwdriver and release your screws. I'm putting this about halfway there because these screws are going in from the back and I won't be able to reach it. And these front screws I've retracted all the way, as you can see. Okay? Now, step 1, put it onto the fitting at the back and start tightening them. Okay, at this point you don't want it too tight, you still want it to be able to rotate a bit. Okay? And then once you have it centered to the tap, you can go ahead and tighten as much as you can. Okay, here we go. This one tightens in. Okay, make sure it's firm, and then you tighten this part. And what this does is it squeezes the black washer on the inside against the nozzle of the tap, giving you a nice, good watertight seal. Okay, all the way. Okay. Come in with your hose again, pull down the ring, and fasten it there. There you go. Easy peasy. It's done. Check for leaks. That's all good. Okay, and that, my friends, is how you connect a washing machine to a water outlet. Just be careful you don't pull on it because it will quick release and all the water will go everywhere. But yeah, if you like that video, do leave me a like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and one more thing, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.